Douglas, and I'm here with Susan. We're with VMworld Television at VMworld 2010 in San Francisco. We're lucky enough to get backstage passes to the expo, so we're able to come in here and see the setup, see all the vendors, all the excitement, just before the attendees come in. So I think, Susan, we should probably split up and go around, see if we can find some interesting people to talk to.
That sounds great. Why don't you take off that way? I'll go that way and we'll be back here.
Sounds great. See you in a bit.
Thanks. I'm here with James from NorthScale. I'm going to ask him a few questions and see what it is that they do. James, please tell me a little bit about what it is NorthScale does.
Sure, NorthScale's a database company. We make a product which is also open source called Membase. And Membase is a database system that is designed to scale out versus scaling up. Traditionally, if you look at a relational database management system like that you get from Oracle, if you want to store more data or serve more users, you have to get a bigger server.
Right.
The world's moving toward virtualization technology, where instead of getting bigger boxes, you simply instantiate new virtual machines with software if you want to increase capacity. And so Membase is built specifically for this world, where you, instead of buying a bigger box, spin up more virtual machines with our software, join them to a cluster, and you can store more data and serve more users.
Great. And how have you been working with that? You've been working with this for VMware. And how do the two products go together? Do you build on VMware and then put your product on there, or do you work on our base, and how does that work?
Yeah, so exactly. We actually deploy our software inside of a VMware virtual machine, so we're an application of sorts, a database, that can run inside of VMware infrastructure. We run inside of vSphere. So we don't build on top of directly VMware technology per se, but we're optimized to run in VMware virtual machines.
Great, that sounds fantastic. Have a great rest of your week.
Hi, Rajiv. I heard you guys are doing some exciting stuff with VDI, so I thought I'd come by your booth. Can you give us a little background on what you guys do?
Certainly, thank you. I'm Rajiv Pimplaskar, Vice President of Sales for Atlantis Computing. And Atlantis Computing has developed some really cool technology that helps consolidate the cost of VDI, especially at scale. So today, the big challenge with VDI is there's a lot of POCs out there. They're great functionally speaking, but when it comes time to scale them out, the CapEx costs are really, really high, which makes it very, very challenging to scale these deployments out. So Atlantis Computing sits in conjunction with the VMware stack, works with any storage vendor in the market, and really right-sizes the storage required for VDI, thereby reducing the CapEx.
All right, great. Well, thanks a lot, and I hope you guys have a great show here.
Yeah, thank you.
Hi, I'm here with Barb with BlueSocket. Barb, would you take a minute and maybe tell us a little bit about what BlueSocket does and why you're here?
Yeah, we're a wireless networking company, 802.11n wireless networking company solution, and we've got a virtualized controller that is an innovative architecture that we're releasing on VMware in a couple of weeks.
Great. How does that differ from traditional wireless networking?
So traditional wireless networking, you have a centralized controller where all your traffic ends up being a bottleneck for. With the virtualized controller, what we're able to do is push all that data traffic to the edge, creating an enormous scalability. We can scale up to 1,500 access points with one instance of a controller running on VMware.
Wow, that sounds fantastic. Thank you very much for your time, and I wish you a great rest of the week.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming by.
Hi, Kevin. Can you tell me a bit about what you guys do at Coraid?
Sure, we're doing Ethernet SAN storage. So traditionally, storage is run over mainframe networks like Fiber Channel, and there's been a few other efforts to modernize that. What we're doing is we're really taking to a modern cloud and virtualization architecture using raw Ethernet. And when we do this, we're able to get both higher performance than Fiber Channel at about 20% the cost, and it's very well optimized for these very dynamic virtualization environments, as well as the people who are doing service provider cloud offerings.
All right, great. Thanks a lot. I hope you guys have a great show here.
Thanks a lot.
Hi, Susan. Well, they've opened the floodgates, I can see.
It is packed in here all of a sudden.
Yeah, so I got a couple of good interviews. I hope you did.
I got fantastic interviews. I'm really excited. Some very cool technologies coming out.
Great. Well, we should get out of here and get this up on the internet.
Sounds fantastic. Let's
go.